Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. So this is what I was talking about. I've been telling this for a very long time. 3 days of price action gone in one day, right? Look at Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. In fact, none of the indices, none of the sectors were in the green and people made huge losses, right? I know many people who are very popular in social media made huge losses. Of course, we don't have to worry about them. When it comes to profit also, they make good profit, but this is what I was warning you people are not ready to listen me. You people are ready to listen to a second grade citizen of India, but you are not ready to listen to your own people, right? You are ready to listen to a person who has a de-announced Indian citizenship, but you are not ready to listen to Indian, right? I am the first citizen of this country, right? I have the most right. I have more rights here than others, than second grade citizen of India, right? Anyway, we don't want to go about into that. We'll see about the market, and I told previously that I am sure this market is not going to go anywhere. It is going to come down, and even I told I have a huge short position, and our MTM screens are all in the red, and we haven't squared off anything. We are just waiting, right? Yesterday only I told, and exactly today this is what happened. They are just dumping like anything, and going forward also they will dump, I think. And the RBI thing is now history. Everybody expected pause in interest rate, and that is what has happened. And the markets there is no momentum for markets, there is no good news for the markets to go on the higher side, and they have started coming down. And hopefully US markets are all in the red and not in the red. In fact, if you see the whole US market for last 2 or 3 trading session, it is not performing, and Nasdaq is kind of down. So Nasdaq alone is down by more than 2% or 2.5% for the last 1 week. So we are not getting global support from global cues, and markets are coming down. If the market has to go on the higher side, you have to have a good news. There is no good news, but the market is going, means it is FIIs, pure FIIs manipulation. Look at the way they are manipulating everything, right? Everybody was long in the market, and you have to see the 18,700 puts. So much of 18,700 puts were written yesterday, and everybody has to run for cover today. If you can remember, I'll show you the current week Nifty chart. You see how they have run here. 18,700 had the highest number of put option yesterday, and see what has happened today. They had to run for cover. Market Nifty was falling like anything. Nifty was falling like there were no tomorrow, right? I even thought maybe Nifty will touch 18,500, right? It is sitting somewhere around 18,650 levels. But if this kind of panic is happening, then what to do, right? So this is how institutions trap retailers, and as I told you, it is not institutions, it is not going to be HNIs, it is not going to be proprietary desk, it is retailers, it is you and me who is going to suffer end of the day. That is why my work is just to warn you. I have just been telling, it will keep on going. People were saying this is not your cup of tea. If this is not my cup of tea, then what is my cup of tea? I have been doing this for 10 years, right? Anyway, we'll talk about that in another video. For now, we will concentrate what might happen going forward, what is going to be the scenario, and what is the market trend. Now, if you see the Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty, no matter what happens, it is not going to come down, and it is not willing to come down. And I am also on the same line with Bank Nifty. I don't think Bank Nifty is going to come down anywhere soon. Maximum lower level it will touch 43,500. If at all it comes down, I don't see any 42,000 or 41,000 or 40,000. Maximum, even if it comes down, maximum it will come 43,000. And once it touches, it is not going to come to 43,000. First it will come to 43,500. There is a very strong support at 43,500, and it will bounce back, and that is what I believe in terms of Bank Nifty. And you can see this evidently in price action. If you go and see monthly chart, monthly open interest, you can see huge number of people have written put options at 43,500. We'll look at that. And Nifty also, I am sure it is not going to come anywhere below 18,500 or 18,000. It is 18,500 is a very strong support. People have written huge, if you see it on a open interest perspective, people have written huge number of puts at 18,500, so you can't expect the market to go, Nifty to go below 18,500. And retailers, whether it is retailers or institutions or any other HNIs or proprietary, this is a buy on dip market, and it has been a buy on dip market for a very long time, and every dip is being bought into, and that is what is the current scenario or current trend is. So they are not going to allow market participants are not going to allow the market Nifty, whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, to go below very steep levels, right? So you have to remember that. And today's price action, talking about today's price action, markets were, so it made a two-way, three-way move. This is the Nifty chart, and you see at least the 3 days of price action, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th. Today it took only 1 day to cover all 4 days of price action. From 18,600 to 18,770, it took 3 days, which is 7th and 8th, 6th, 7th and 8th, and just 1 day to come from 18,700 to 18,646. Now, as I told you, 18,500 is a very strong support. Now, what we have done below 18,500, we have written 18,400, 18,300, 18,200 put option. That's why I am saying it is not going to come very lower side. Even if it comes, we will try to do something, or we will try to manage. And in terms of Bank Nifty was super volatile, right? It has gone below, it is almost went below 44,000, and it has even closed below 44,000. That is very unfortunate. I think maybe 43,500 is a very strong support. That's why I am saying you, this is a buy on dip market. Even if the market goes down, they will buy and bring it up. FIIs will buy and bring it up. That is evident in, as I told you, this is a buy on dip market, and that is evident in open interest itself. So let me go to weekly, next week open interest of Bank Nifty, and you can see huge number of 44,000 short straddle is being written. So what does that mean is that people believe that the markets are not going to go below 43,500, or it is not going to maybe go above 44,500, right? That is what is happening. Now you go and see and check the open interest option chain of Bank Nifty. If you sell 44,000 short straddle on next week, which is 15th June expiry, combined premium is going to be how much? You are going to collect more than 500 rupees, around 600 rupees you will collect. That's why they have written huge number of short straddles at 44,000. So if you want, you might write a short straddle at 44,000. It is going to be very good. That's what we are going to do tomorrow morning. So I believe 43,500 is a very strong support. At the same time, 44,500 is a very strong resistance in Bank Nifty. And in terms of Nifty, people are writing huge number of, let us go to Nifty open interest, and what Nifty open interest is saying is 18,700 is having highest number of call option. Now if you remember, the same strike had huge number of put option yesterday, and it is having 18,700 is having huge number of call options today, and this could change immediately. This is not a very relevant indicator, or very very strong indicator. It may change minute to minute, right, based on how market participants are buying or selling, or what is the demand or supply. So we will have to be very careful. But what I believe is markets, maybe 18,000 is not going to be taken out, and maybe even on the higher side 17,000 is not going to be taken out. In fact, lifetime high is not going to be taken out. Lifetime high for Nifty is somewhere around how much? Let me change this to a daily chart. I think we have touched lifetime high, right? Yeah, almost a lifetime high. A lifetime high is around 18,800. Today's high is alone around 18,777. So maybe another 100 or 50 points for lifetime high. So it is not going to happen is what I think. And FIAs are net buyers as usual, but they have bought in a very small quantity, that is 212 crores, and DAs have bought for or sold for around 405 crores. Now this meeting, whatever happened today meeting, RBI meeting, was very interesting. Shaktikanta Das, even though he gave a neutral stance, they paused the interest rate. He was very dovish, he was not hawkish. So he indicated that pausing the interest rate for 2 consecutive time doesn't mean that they will increase pause the interest rate next time, or they will decrease the interest rate next time. There are possibilities that they will increase the interest rate also. That is the main reason market had to fall so much. You have to understand this concept clearly, right? So I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in tomorrow morning video. Until then, take care. Bye.